How to change your profile name on Pinterest. New update. With the latest update to the Pinterest app, some features have been updated, including how to change your profile name. In this video, we'll walk you through the new steps to update your profile name. Let's get started. Open the Pinterest app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the arrow next to your current profile name. To make changes, click the Edit Profile button. Here, you can edit basic information like your first name, last name, and username. Click on your current name, delete it, and enter your new desired name. You can also add an emoji if you like. After entering the new information, tap Done to save the changes. Your profile name will update immediately. It's really that simple and quick. If you found this video helpful, please like it. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.